Hey guys, it's Vicky. Just a very quick video to show you something. I just posted my haul video and for Creative Memories stuff that I recently got. One of the things was this Noteworthy Simple Page Kit number 2. And I thought, how cool would that be for a reunion I had, pardon me, for a reunion I had with a friend of mine. She was my childhood best friend until they moved to Italy. She's been there for years, but she came back in 2016 and we met up, and boy, was I excited and nervous. It was so nice. But we hung around. We went to a park. We went to Starbucks. It was her birthday. And I dug up the pictures. And so here's one side. Here's another side. I thought, oh, I can't remember what we were wearing and if this would even match. Guys, could this be any freaking more perfect? Look. So I'm wearing black, which is nothing new. She is wearing like an aqua. Hello. What? No. And then the next day, again, we hung out. I was wearing blue. She was wearing blue and gray. Guys, could I have procured a better collection? I don't think so. Look at that. Seriously. Like, wow. Thanks, Creative Memories. That's all I wanted to show you. I can't believe it's so perfect for this. And the phrases, good times together, and smile, love, a sweet friendship, 100% lovable. Everything here is perfect. So I will show you the layout when it's done. But I'll show you the layouts when this whole album is done, which will be in a couple of days. I only have 3 layouts left to go. So stay tuned. But wow, ain't this scrappy girl happy? Ciao for now.